NKTR stock analysis and NKTR stock prediction. What I will be doing in this brief and short 1 minute video is showing you my exact play, especially with Nektar Therapeutics. Bro, this is just, I'm not just saying it's just because, you know, I just want to stick to the rules. And for me, if there's a good confirmation, I'm just willing to double down buy on this like crazy. People are going to overcomplicate it, of course, but unless I see the double break, there's no way I'm going to look to buy whatsoever. So NKTR, I do got 2 results in here in the Discord. This is not even the best demand zone ever, but as if it makes sense and if there is a shift, I'm Gucci. That being said, if you want to learn the sauce and all that good jazz so you don't have to spend 5 years and leverage this in just a few hours, click the first link in the description. Risk-free, 1,200 people have gotten it. Goodbye and enjoy.